Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Ram Express Quad Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number B9049A. 59,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, blue streak in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, which also includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Ram seats 6 with a cloth interior. Seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Soft tonneau cover. The Ram is very unique, and it is the only pickup truck on the market that has rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity, locking tailgate, and hitch and wiring. And very clean, as you can see. This Express has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy-to-read gauge with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter, as well as shift-on-the-fly 4-wheel drive, easy-to-operate radio, as well as climate control, cup holders and storage in the armrest, with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram is a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9049A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.